You're not a Mustang. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Welcome to another day on the vlog. Today is going to be a little bit different compared to the other videos because today we don't have the orange girl anymore. And actually, in her place, hold on, I'm getting a call. Someone's always trying to call whenever I'm making a vlog. But actually, as I was saying, we don't have the orange girl anymore, and unfortunately, she's broken down right now. We had a few leaks going on, some parts started to go bad, so we had to replace everything. It came at a good time because we could upgrade things, so we don't have the orange girl. But in her replacement for the weekend, or the week, we got the Corvette. And as many of you might know or remember from the last vlog that I put out, if you guys watched it, we came inside a 2002 Corvette. A buddy of ours has it, and they were kind enough to let us drive the Corvette for the weekend. So we've got a Corvette, and if y'all haven't been experiencing it lately, the wind has been starting to kick up, so we've been getting a whole lot of dust everywhere. If you can't tell, this car is extremely dusty. Yeah, it's pretty gross. So right now we're gonna get into a quick little car wash time lapse, and then we'll see what the day brings to us with the Corvettes. All right, check that out. And there we go, guys, we got the car all cleaned up. Just a disclaimer, somebody actually does lend you their car for the weekend because yours is out of commission or anything. Just do the nice thing and be sure to wash their car. I don't know how long I have the Corvette left, but honestly I gave it a good cleanup over here. All washed out inside and out. Gave it a little bit of tire shine over here just to make it look all real good. So yeah, at least do them a favor since they're letting you borrow their car. Just do them something nice. But what I really want to show you right now is if you lift the hood up, you can see that beautiful LS engine in here. You can get in some serious trouble with something like this. So what we got in store today for you guys is we're meeting up with one of our buddies who has a red Z06. So we're gonna be cruising around with him with the two red Vettes, and we're gonna have a good time, maybe get a couple rolling shots, a couple good pictures, and all right, now we're here at the car wash over here with not one, not two, but 3 Corvettes. Got a little bit of detailing going on right now. Gonna maybe do some rolling shots, a couple glamour shots over here of these guys cleaning their cars. But you gotta admit, they got some beautiful Corvettes over here. Look at that orange booty. booty. And if you look closely, you can see two local car guys in their natural habitat. Yeah, those are my boys right here. Shout out to them. Follow them on Instagram at, what's your Instagram again?
Salinas_LSX.
And what's yours, bud?
Zeal6.
There we go. Be sure to support them on Instagram, follow them, check out both of their Corvettes.
Like all these GM guys broken down. That's why their hoods are open.
We didn't listen to those recalls, ladies and gentlemen. Hashtag Chevy problems. Alright, and that's going to do it for us, ladies and gentlemen. Camera died, unfortunately, so I got to use the phone, so if the quality's a little bit lower, well, there's your reason right there. I got the C5 Corvette here, C5 Z06, and C6 Corvette over here with my two buddies that are fixing their Corvette. Always.
GM pop.
Yeah, that's something they always got to live with, unfortunately. And now they're ripping on Fords behind my back.
So we came out here, we met up with them at the car wash, then we headed up to the university and to one of the main one of the campus buildings over there, took a couple shots, then we came up here to the mountain area, but we took a whole lot of shots over here. If you want to check out any of the pictures that we took from today, be sure to check out my Instagram at @1BDStang. You will be able to check out all the pictures that we took today of everybody's cars over here. We're going to try and get some more car meets going, whether it's going to be Mustangs, Corvettes, trucks, that sort of thing. All I need you guys to do is comment down below, tell me what you guys want to see, and we'll make it happen. Anything. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for checking out the video. If it's your first time stopping by, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.